business model canvas for the Datai Langkawi. My name is Nur Fatin Izzati binti Kamro. My metric number is H23A1590. Background Datai Langkawi Hotel. The Datai Langkawi is a 5-star luxury resort located in a ancient pine forest in Langkawi. Opening in 1993, it offers a new blend of nature of a legend, attracting high-end traveler known for the eco-friendly practice, private villas and world-class service. The resort is a top choice for honeymoon wellness seeker and nature lover. 1. Value proposition. The Datai Langkawi offers a new and luxury experience by combining a 5-star resort with the nature beauty of a 10 million years old pine forest. Guests enjoy an exclusive and private atmosphere with world-class spa service, fine dining and personalized luxury service. It is also ideal for eco-conscious travelers who want to stay close to nature without compromising comfort and elegance. 2. Customer segment. Our main target customer are high-end local and international travelers, including honeymoon, wellness seeker, and ecotourism. We also tackle and familiar, nature lover, and client looking to host private event or wedding in a tropical paradise. 3. Customer relationship. The resort bodies strong relationship with the trustworthy, personable, and confined service. It also offers loyalty program, customer experience, and 24 hours tourist support. After the stay, tours are adjusted through email, newsletter, and social media updates. 4. Channel. The Datai Langkawi Research, its customer choice, its official website, luxury travel agent, and premium booking platform. The resort also promote in service through social media, influencer, and international travel exhibition. 5. Key activities. Key activities include the operation and maintenance of the resort, planning eco-friendly activities like the nature walk and wildlife tour, and providing high-end spa and dining service. The resort also focuses on event hosting, such as destination wedding and wellness retreats. 6. Key resources. The resort key resources include inclusive village with trainer staff and the strong brand reputation. The surrounding dense forest and private beach are also major assets. In addition, partnership with eco-friendly and luxury brand enhance the cruise experience. 7. Key partners. The Datai work with tourists and conversation, our tourists, local supplier and luxury travel platform. They also collaborate with wellness product provide and sustainability expense to maintain a high standard of ecotourism. 8. Revenue streams. The resort earn revenue through direct village bookings, spa and dining service, private event, eco-tourist package, and merchandise sale. This stream allow the resort to continue offering a premium experience while supporting environmental initiatives. 9. Cost structure. Major costs include maintenance of the facilities, staff training, high quality food costing, and sustainability programs. Addition, expense to tower marketing, utilities, and insurance to maintain experience, service, and to safety. The last point, conclusion. The Datai Langkawi Hotel combines luxury, nature, and sustainability to create a unique value proposition for high-end travelers. Its business model focuses on exclusive, personalized service